Rajasthan DGP Umesh Mishra has flagged off what he claims is a high percentage of false rape cases in the state. While speaking on situation of women's safety, the top cop said that out of total registered rape cases in the state, 41% were found to be false this year. He said this was in stark contrast with the national average that stands at 8%. He also added that a strict legal action will be taken against those found guilty of filing false cases.
अर्बनाइजेशन बढ़ रहा है, ट्रांसपोर्ट और कम्युनिकेशन बढ़ रहा है, तो उसमें अगर अपराध बढ़े भी तो इसमें क्या अस्वाभाविक है। लेकिन इसमें जैसे आपने महिला अत्याचार की बात की, महिला अत्याचार में अन्वेषण के बाद 47% मामले झूठे पाए गए हैं, तो आप इसको डिस्काउंट करोगे कि नहीं। इसी तरह रेप के केसेस में 41% झूठे पाए गए हैं, तो अगर उसमें इसको डिस्काउंट करोगे तो वो मैथमेटिक्स है, मुझे मैथमेटिक्स ज्यादा नहीं आती, बट आपको जवाब मिल जाएगा।
Well, that is the Rajasthan's DGP who is making a claim that around 41% of rape cases that are registered ends up being false in nature, and he has also decided to take stern steps and take action against those who are found guilty of filing false cases. Well, that is a big revelation that the Rajasthan's DGP is making. He says that this year alone, it appears to be that 41 cases were found to be false, which were cases of rape, which were registered in Rajasthan. The Rajasthan DGP makes a claim that 41% of the rape cases registered in Rajasthan ends up being false cases, and he has decided to take a strict action against those filing false cases. He also goes on to say that the 41%. I'm also joined by Brinda Adige on the phone line. I appreciate you joining us here this afternoon, ma'am. What exactly do you make of the statement of the Rajasthan DGP who claims that 41% of the rape cases that are registered in Rajasthan ends up being false in nature, and he's contemplating that the strictest possible action must be taken against those registering false rape cases?
First and foremost, that is not the job of the DGP. His job and his police officer's job is to enforce the law, follow the procedure, register the case, do the investigation, whatever is there, produce the charge sheet in court. The court will decide what it has to decide. He cannot become judge, jury, and prosecution. He is being paid to do a certain job, and that is all he must do. Who is he to tell that false cases have to be punished, penalized, or whatever it might be? Action must be taken. Let the court decide that. Nobody gave him permission. He is a duty bearer, a public servant, and that is all his job. Tell him to do his job properly. How did he arrive at the discussion or at the thing that it is false case? On what basis? How can we not make a statement over here that his investigation is short? He has not been able to collect forensic evidence, that his people are not trained properly. See, this is the problem with police. They haven't got out of their colonial mindsets. They want to actually now say that they will want to punish the paymasters, the citizens who are making a complaint. How did he arrive at something like that? This patriarchal colonial mindset must be shattered. He must be pulled up. His officers must be pulled up for not being able to do a proper professional job. They cannot sit there and say 41% of rape cases are false. That is not his job. How did he ever arrive at such a thing? I say that his investigation is shoddy. I say that his investigation is unprofessional.
Appreciate you joining us here, Ms. Adige, with all those statements and your views on it. Clearly, as far as Rajasthan DGP's statement is concerned, that has drawn sharp criticism from women activists.